Okay, so burping can be difficult sometimes, and when gas is stuck, I want to show you how to get it out a little bit easier. If your partner's with you, this is a good time for them to play with them too. They can make faces, they can stick their tongue out and kind of play with your baby, but get them really high up on your shoulder. Pull them up to where their face is really leaning over your shoulder, and your partner can play with them behind you, but this position of your shoulder going into their sternum and their abdomen is going to get that gas out very easily. Just like this.